Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to join a server you are banned from Discord. So, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up your Discord application into your device. Now, of course, if you are banned, you cannot have the access of the server anymore. But the workaround for this is you have to create another account. So to do this, you can just simply log out into your account first by going for the U down below. Now, once you are on the U, of course, you could just simply tap on U again in order for you to access the settings, as you can see. And you can just simply scroll down and select log out over here and select log out again. Now, here you could just simply log in into another account. Now, if you don't have an account, of course, you have to register a new account in order for this to work. And you can just simply log in into another email address. So in my case, I have a second account, so I'm just gonna log in and provide my email and a password. Now, once I'm here, I'm gonna select log in. Now, after that, once I have signed in into my new account, of course, I have to set it up if you are newly registered. And now, the one thing that you might want to consider is getting the server link from that, or you could just simply go ahead and reach out to your friend to get you a server invite. And now, for example, I have the invitation of the server over here. When I tap on it, I should now be able to join the server again. Now, if it doesn't work, of course, the workaround for that is you could just simply go ahead and download a VPN. So any VPN on the Google Play Store will work as long as you find a best option, and there are multiple options over here that you might want to consider. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.